SBEV stock analysis and SBEV stock predictions for tomorrow. Is it a buy? We'll watch this 2-minute video up till the end to find out. Listen to it, I'm the only guy in the space with 50,000 live trades and analysis videos documented over the last 5 years on this channel. So here's what's working for me and my outlook. Needless to say, yesterday, Monday open, we just saw like a crazy 42% gain for the day. But at some point, we even reached like 35 cents, which is crazy, almost 35. And then we're back at it again, 20% down. This is why I call a market that I'm not willing to trade whatsoever. Now, is there money to be made with like a potential short squeeze and you can just, catch some sort of these moves? Sure, there is, but just not my cup of tea. My genuine 2 cents on this is that the likelihood we keep making new lower lows in the nearest future is just through the roof. And that's the only thing that I'll lean for, at least for now. And so if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy plus my exact best stock picks for this week daily, link is in the description, completely free.